Hi, come on. Keep going. She's just a trucking along. Kitties, come on. I'm gonna shut the door for a little while then. Come on. You coming? Come on. What you doing? With all your hair. It's kind of cold right there. I had the door open. Kitties are out there being nosy. Oh, yep. The grate. I cleaned that just for you. Alright, I think we're done. She's going to fix that away. Oh, no, no. Where are we going? Okay.